What's good, everyone? I'm out here today. I mean, it was really a gorgeous day today, and I didn't really get any RC fun in because I had yard work to do now that all the snow's gone. But I figured before the sun completely goes away and it gets dark out, as you can tell behind me, sun's going down. I figured I'd bring out my rally car because I finally got that fixed last night. So I'm going to test her out and everything, and if she works fine, then I'll have 3 of my rigs done within yesterday and today. So I'm hoping everything works fine on her. But other than that, guys, let's get it. Here she is. Haven't drove her in a while. Last time I drove her, I had my buddy Chuck and his brother Brandon over here, and she went up on the side of a snowbank and I ripped the front A-arm off, so I had to order new ones. I tried to put my green ones from my 4-wheel drive Stampede, but they're a little bit longer and I didn't have the right lengths for it, so I had to order the right ones for this. And she is 6S still. I'm probably keeping it 6S. Oh, roll over already. She's an animal. I just gotta get the right size tires because these ones are blown up like really bad and they rub the body. Oh. See, as you could hear on that one, rubbed up hardcore. Man, she nosedives. I need to hit the brakes on that, I guess. Oh, not the brakes. I think it's gas because nosedive. I don't want to hit the brakes because it'll just nosedive even more. That was a good jump. It's hard to tell what my camera's getting because the way I have it mounted on my controller. As you can tell over here, I got nice and cleaned from the leaves, and then my leaf blower died, so I don't have that all cleaned up. And my batteries didn't fully get charged, but once again, like I said, I wanted to get out here before it got too dark. Nice. Soar through the sky. Oh, I was trying to give it gas so it would level out, but nope, she didn't want to. And another thing, everyone, like all my subscribers and the newcomers, either the end of this month or the beginning of next month, I will be trying to do a live video. If I can't get live to work, then I'll just make a video. But I'm gonna go over and talk about and explain about my track that I'm doing. And maybe I'll draw like a little picture or something of how I want it to be so everyone can understand. I mean, come on, tell me if I'm wrong, but I think it'll be sick if I have a racetrack at my house and have a bunch of us racing. I mean, I think that'll be good for my channel. Oh, that was a bad crash. Man, I gotta take it easy. I won't have it for the skate park. Even though I'm not gonna really rip on the half pipe or anything with her. But at least I'll be able to race people or either go on the little open area that they have and just rip it down. Oh, that was a good jump. It stinks. I can't tell if I'm getting it or not. Alright guys, I guess that's gonna be it. My phone's filled with videos of me doing my YouTube videos, so I gotta go through it. I don't have much space left, so I guess I'll end it after that nice crash at the end, you know, before I break anything. But if you definitely enjoyed what you saw and definitely want to see more, definitely smash that like button, go and subscribe, and like always guys, I am out of here. See ya.